Thomas here with his wife for 34 years, Laura. Will travels to every show with Tom, coast to coast. Right now, takeoff roll, Tom Larkin in mini jet AIRSHOWs. Jet is just 16 feet long and 18 feet wide. It weighs just 500 pounds. It's about the same as your riding lawnmower. It tops out over 300 miles per hour. The mini jet is over 1,000 pounds lighter and 60 miles an hour faster than any current Indy car. It's an experimental jet. Comes in a kit. It's powered by a PBS Velcobytes TJ100, producing 258 pounds of thrust. From now to 300 miles per hour, Tom Larkin and mini jet AIRSHOWs. Watch Tom Larkin pull the mini jet way up over the top. He's going to turn it over the inside and bringing it back to center. That is not an unusual maneuver for jet aircraft, or less so. Roll the nose of the jet up just. And there we go. Brings the jet back to show center for the mini jet version of the Avalanche Loop. One more quick turnaround out to your left, and Tom Larkin flicking the mini jet back down the show line for the triple roll. This time, he's going to come back down the show line. It's the double roll. Down, airspeed up. Here's the quarter roll. Back on the stick one more time. Back up goes. At the smooth precision, Tom Larkin with the jet AIRSHOW. He's going to feel all those G's slamming him down into that seat. And this IG 360-degree turn. Our aerobatic pilot will experience up to 10 times the force of gravity throughout the day. There's miles per hour. Right here, one last pass. Ladies and gentlemen, mini jet AIRSHOWs. Colorado. Wow. Here's the F5 is never gone. several upgrades to enhance its capabilities, including AIs and weapons, as well as engines. It's most known for his role as an aggressor. Coming down the show line one more time, ladies and gentlemen, the F5. Sergeant has the freedom fight. That's okay. And his reception. You see the smoke trails emitted by our aerobatic performers today? There's nothing wrong with the aircraft. That is a paraffin oil or mineral oil that's injected onto the exhaust pipes that creates that. It's not toxic or harmful to the environment. And especially watch as Ethan and Tom go up and over the top formation. Into the vertical, here comes the double hammerhead.